Supporters, welcome. This is Island Gal from town with another upload. Now for the regular supporters, I really appreciate you. Welcome, an extra special one for you. Now if you are new to the channel, this is a channel with a difference. Now if you are not into certain content or whatever it is happening on the social media platform with especially Jamaican influencers, depending on how you look at the term influencers, but popular Jamaican people on social media, well, people run along on the channel, scroll through and see if you find something more appropriate for you. In the meantime, Dewey went live. Yes, he is in Connecticut in the United States of America. Don't forget to show your support, like, share, give your comments, subscribe. It's Island Girl from town and I'm outside.
Ball game. You hear that? The weekend, you get me? Never tell a lie. Summer fling. Buckler. That a quote. Up in a them town. No, that's a bone of them on the left layer here. When you know about fuck down here. I'm gonna kill me for that. See them up in a them town. I might show this, you hear that? I'm up in a them town. I know never tell a lie. Let me tell you. One more big up on the damn self. But we say Cali next week, you know? Yeah. Smoke up the best weed. Haha. You know the thing come down, man, British promotion. I don't know me live in a building. I'm live in a town. I'm live in a city. I know from the touch Kelly, you know we not stay one place. You hear that? Holy quote. Company life. We need a hairstyle. Need to find one of them hairdressers there, you know? That quote. Cause the hair need to get little spoiled right now. I mean, say, no, your brain slow. It seems like you want a whole heap of catering on me. Right now, more a whole heap, but me that do good with all too. No that. Hey, what kind of meeting you want here? I'm going to see. Let me chat piece of my man. Talk to me, I see if I can deal with it. Nah, I say no. Money.
Yes, money pay help pay the rent. There's the rent doesn't pay enough. So when do we come in and say no?
Set out the boy, set out your hole.
To all your pussy now, be fucking up. Time to all your pussy now, be fucking up. Yeah, good look. We never know that it goes wrong. Can a girl fuck me with no dildo? No. And a girl fuck me. I wanna feel song that man. No. And a pee back in our bum one.
Yeah, Derek Array.
Yeah, a clean-hearted boy.
Yeah.
Of course. Labor rights.
I will never ever play possible.
I love when she do that.
I don't know what you do to that. I list interrupt. I didn't list interrupt. I will not play possible.
Very live.
Thank you. Fresh and pretty. All over and dirty blood clot, yes. Ball, what do you mean by what me a ball? What do you mean by? It's not a stone me a ball for the man. It's a husband. Ball feel. Him hurt me. Whether fuck or mock or whatever. Ball feel. Let out the steel. Are you fresh and nice? When you clog it up and play hypocrite, it aunt you. It aunt your skin, it aunt your eye, it aunt your nose, it aunt your mouth. Do it! Bumper clad, move your blood. Lord God. Yes, Father. You. Actually, I'm town school, my girl now. Yeah. I'm fatted a classmate now. Then I'm town school, my girl now. Oh, and I got
come from where?
no pussy test. Yeah, man, I used to go up there to go get my little broken butter back in the days. What happened to them? DT. My town, me the queen, worldwide queen. Everywhere I might one, every girl I my blood clot one. Girl power, pussy power. Represent. Man for pay for girl pussy.
That guy's a t-shirt, them.
Yeah.
Shot them for fine you, big up your t-shirt. Shot them for fine you. Out of the park.
Talk up.
Yeah, my hat and t-shirt come support them right out of the park.
And them want to a room.
That I look out, him and get him home. Andrew give Derek a room. Fix him up, Mr. Andrew. Prime Minister.
Mr. Oldness, you hear that? Fix up.
He can get a little room somewhere, man.
Yeah, man.
Take him out, man, a long
Take him out and talk. Yeah, man.
Ready-made, yeah. Drop one of the ready-made board house to Derek. Remember him looking for us.
Uncle, them say you're shy. Derek, them say you're shy. Derek, you're good looking and nice, though.
Yeah.
I have a nice personality. I went in trouble, you get cantankerous like myself, but it's alright.
I'm going like him shy. If you don't see Dirk, I'm going like him shy.
1,500 for the hat and 2 guys for their t-shirt. Them give me a support, give me a strength.
Yeah, in the park. Where park name, Derek?
The boy don't keep a party, them why do a nice for ads for them.
Nice, yeah. Yeah, bud. Yeah, bud. Ah, baby, just buy a drink. Yeah, man. Bumbo clot. God bless my queenie.
Yeah, man, I got her back on, man.
I told you that I have left it up. So here what no. Crazy.
Yeah, we
Sit up
think,
for the
man.
damn self. Bless you. Huh?
You come look for we.
Then I must.
I will have everything, don't take what we look right now.
Oh, no, look damn good, a girl power.
This one down with beard, double
Yeah.
tap. This
Girl
one with
power.
beard,
Yeah, man.
and brush your teeth.
I know, man, a clean and nice. Yeah, and a hot girl. A girl power support. Thank you, no. When I come with something, but you don't know me big and brave and me a queen, so you don't know if I love me, I come with it. If you courage turns it twice, I love me travel with, man. And all the while, cash to the big, but you don't know what